Hello, in today's video, I'll show you how to change your band on the XIAOMI Smart Band 10 Pro. Changing the band is quite easy. Once you have your other band, you can just remove the first one by pressing on these little buttons and it will detach like so. You just pull it. Do the same with the other one. And now to attach them, you just need to put them in. They are not really labeled if it's supposed to be on top or on bottom, so you can't technically change their direction, but typically this one with the hole would be on the bottom and the one with the dots would be on the top. If you have a different type of band, you can always look on the pictures if you're not sure how it's supposed to be, or just see which way is more comfortable to you. So now to attach it, it's easy, it's super easy. You just put it in until it clicks. Like that. Now it's secured. Let's do the other one now. And there is your band. If you don't know where's the top or the bottom of the watch because it's not on, maybe, then you can just always look on the back of it, and Xiaomi logo should tell you, like by looking at it, you'll know where the bottom and where the top of the watch is. And that's it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.